There's a lot of design mistakes in my mom's kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna share with you my plan to fix all of them. The only problem is, I never renovated a kitchen in my entire life, and there's a lot of things that could go wrong. Anyway, let's start with the reasons why we are renovating this kitchen. It doesn't look that bad when you have a quick look, but when you look closer, the fan is blocking the door. The upper cabinet are installed too low. The fridge is blocking the oven door. There's no space for the garbage bin in the cabinets. This is the only pantry space. This counter is too low to cook. This counter is too high to cook. There's mold on the countertop. The sink is not centered with the window. This is what you need to do if you want something in the corner cabinets. Am I crazy or this is a nightmare? I have to do something. So let's start with this corner of the kitchen. The biggest problem here is the fact that the fridge is blocking the oven's door to open fully. And I need to push the fridge back. To do that, what I was thinking is to destroy the little pantry that there is at the back of the fridge. And I'm going to block the door space, rebuild kind of a small wall just a bit back, and this way I'm going to gain the space to push the fridge fully. For the upper space, I have two options. One, to put an upper cabinet, or two, to block the space with gyps. My mom is pretty small and she's not using the upper cabinet space a lot, so yeah, I have those two options. Let me know what you think. So that was it for this little corner. Let's continue. First off, I'm going to get rid of this part of the countertop. This is not useful, it's not convenient at all. We cannot reach like the stuff that is at the back, and this is really annoying. I'm going also to get rid of all of those upper cabinets. Remember this big problem, we are going to get rid of that by adding only one little one-door cabinet by the hood fan. For this little sink, I'm really annoyed by the fact that it's not centered with the window. We are going to add a larger cabinet, and that way we are going to be able to center the sink with the window. And to do that, we are also going to need to move the dishwasher just a little bit by the left. So that's the plan for this little space. Let's continue. For this part of the kitchen, like I was saying, we are moving the dishwasher on that side, but to do that, we have to get rid of this part. So it's okay, we can live with that. We're also getting rid of the L-shaped upper cabinet. I just want cabinet on this wall. So the small cabinet there and a two-door cabinet on that side. For the counter, we are going to go with quartz. I'm so excited. This is going to be the biggest change. I think this and the floor, this is going to be epic. I can't wait to get rid of this little wood trim, this mold on the countertop. We also getting rid of the sink. Put that in the garbage and start again. I want the counter like style to be like that. I'm gonna show you a picture because I don't know how to explain it like clearly. I want the countertop like that, and just a small countertop part. And I want small trims all around the window. So this is going to be way more modern and clean. And we also going to get rid of the backsplash. So let's move to this part. So obviously for this little area, first thing first, we are going to put this really bad idea in the garbage. So getting rid of this big countertop, this is disgusting. I can't wait to see it in the garbage bin and say bye by the window. This is going to be the perfect moment. So we are going to keep kind of the L shape, but make it even better. So to open the dishwasher door, I need to push those cabinets a bit back. So this is going to go in the living room, and to complete the look, what I was thinking is to put a 2-door cabinet on that side and to put all the counter on top of this here. I'm also going to put some open shelving to put some plants, because as you can see, there's a lot of plant in this house. My mom has a green thumb. What can I say? It's perfect. So that was the plan for this little corner. Let's go there. I love the idea of using this wall for cabinets, but I hate the idea of putting high cabinet that you cannot prep food on. So we are getting rid of this awful idea, and I'm going to put a lot of storage. There's not enough storage in this kitchen. There's no pantry, so we had to address that in the new plan. So what I'm thinking is to put some high cabinet floor to ceiling on that part. Same on this part. In the middle, I want to put a little coffee bar. So my mom loves her coffee in the morning, in the afternoon. She loves her coffee in general. So I wanted to give her a little coffee bar here. And this is going to be way more convenient because right now it's so high. It's really a bad idea. Don't do that in your kitchen, please. So we are going to gain like double the storage space, and this is going to be amazing. Let's do a last tour of the space before renovation. This is the kitchen before, and this is the new plan. The layout is not changing a lot, but the new additions will make all the difference in this small kitchen. And I couldn't be more excited to share the process with you. This kitchen renovation is going to be a series in which I'm going to share my mistakes, the cost, and the tips. So if you don't want to miss any upcoming video, don't forget to subscribe. So that was it for my plan. I hope you enjoy it. And if you have some ideas or kitchen renovation tips, please let me know in the comment. I'm really open-minded because I still need to order a lot of stuff. So now I need to leave you because I need to take everything out of the cabinet if I want to start one day. So see you in the next video. À la prochaine! To finally share. No. Builder. Oh non, tu commenceras pas là, toi là.